Good afternoon. You are listening to the Carolinas Christian Voice, 100.9 The Cross. Today we continue our series of interviews with faculty and staff at Robeson Community College in Lumberton, North Carolina. RCC is expanding its footprint in Robeson County. They recently opened a new center in downtown Pembroke, North Carolina. My guest today is Patricia Strickland, who is the director of the new A.S. Thomas Center in Pembroke, North Carolina. Let's say good afternoon to Patricia. How are you, Patricia?
I'm doing well. I hope you are, Mark. Thank you for the opportunity to talk with you.
Well, thank you for taking time to call us this afternoon. And Patricia, let's begin by having you tell us where this new center is located in Pembroke.
So as you stated, we are in downtown Pembroke. We are located at 62 Union Chapel Road, and we're right beside the Just Love Coffee Shop and just a few storefronts down from Wing Company, which is also a favorite restaurant here in the town. It's a beautiful facility and has a beautiful eye-catching graphics in the front. You can't miss us if you drive by. There is construction currently taking place on Union Chapel Road right in front of our building, so you will need to park in the back and walk around to the front to gain access to the center. But we do hope that the construction will soon be completed so that we are more accessible to everyone.
Very good. I'm talking with Patricia Strickland this afternoon, the director of the new A.S. Thomas Center in Pembroke, North Carolina. And tell us more about the center and what will be available there.
Okay, so the Thomas Center offers a variety of services to the community. We're here to serve you and would love to assist you with anything you want to complete regarding your educational journey. And that will include registering for continuing education classes as well as offering on-site RDS admissions assistance for the curriculum programs. In addition, we can also assist with financial aid. We'll have some folks coming from our main campus over to assist with that. And we'll also provide academic advising here at the center as well. If you're not sure of what direction you want to go in, we can also provide career exploration services. If you're looking for a job and you aren't quite sure, about what your resume needs to have on it or need some assistance to update that, we'll also offer some workshops regarding resumes and job search strategies, as well as interview skills. The center will provide computer skills workshops. We'll also have some information regarding adult high school and GED orientation sessions, as well as ESL workshops. And we hope to have all of these offerings starting very soon, and we'll have those opportunities open here in the next couple of weeks.
Well, sounds good. Now, I understand the Thomas Center also has a conference room. Is the conference room open for public use?
Yes, it is. We have a beautiful conference room that has audio-visual capabilities, and we hope to offer our information sessions there from time to time, as well as small business workshops. As you stated, it is open to the public, so we do invite the community to call us if they have a small group that they would like to meet with here at the center. And while you're here, we'll give you a tour of the facility and also tell you more about the services available. There is no charge to use the facility, and it can accommodate up to 16 individuals. And we would love to see the members of our community utilizing the center as much as possible and help us get the word out about our new location here in Pembroke.
This afternoon, I'm talking with Patricia Strickland of Robeson Community College, talking about the new A.S. Thomas Center in Pembroke, North Carolina. And with Pembroke, what about UNCP? Will the facility offer services in partnership there?
Sure. So we've had a long-standing partnership with UNC Pembroke over the years. As always, we welcome students from UNCP to come by and visit to see what is available here at RCC for them. We hope that we can assist students at UNCP who may need to take a class at RCC in order to maintain their academic standing at the university. We also hope to facilitate a relationship with more students there who may need a class or two to, just sort of get ahead. So if you're a student at UNCP and you need a credit check, meaning as in class credits, please come by to see us here at the center so that we can offer some assistance. We don't want to see any student withdraw or drop out of college, whether you're here at RCC or UNC Pembroke. We want all students to stay in school and get the degree that they started. So if we can be of any assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us.
Now, will there be a ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate the opening of the A.S. Thomas Center in Pembroke?
Yes, absolutely. We are not sure of an exact date as of now. We will have the ceremony after the completion of the road construction in front of the building, but we do want folks to know that we are here and open and ready to serve them. So we're right now in the phase of a soft opening, but we will have a big grand opening ceremony very soon where everyone in the community is invited to attend.
My guest this afternoon is Patricia Strickland, the director of the new A.S. Thomas Center in Pembroke, North Carolina. And if our listeners want to get in contact with you to learn more about the center, how can they do that?
They can reach me by phone at 910-272-3611 or reach me by email at plocklear@robeson.edu. We also have a website for the center, www.robeson.edu/A-S-Thomas-Center. And if that's too much to remember, just go to our homepage, www.robeson.edu, and scroll down to the bottom where all of our campus locations are listed. The A.S. Thomas Center is listed on the left, and if you click on that link, it'll take you to our homepage with the updated photos and information.
Patricia, as we wrap things up this afternoon, is there anything else you'd like to mention?
So yes, I'd also like to take the time to remind everyone that Robeson Community College is still offering 14-week classes that will begin Thursday of this week, August 29th. There are still many classes available, many that are completely online as well. So if you missed our opening day for fall 24, which was August 15th, it is not too late. Come down to see us here at the A.S. Thomas Center, and we will be glad to help you get started with that admissions process and get you registered and in the classes you want to take. In addition, we also have many 12-week and 8-week classes beginning very soon. Both of those will be September and October start dates, and you can see those class listings by visiting our website and viewing the schedule that is available there. Our continuing education division is also offering many new opportunities for short-term training, like electrical lineman, community health worker, EMT, and pottery, just to name a few, but we have a lot that is going on. Complete class listings are available on our website, and you can register for those classes online at www.robeson.edu/ConEd. That's CONED. Robeson Community College, we have a lot to offer to everyone, I think. So we hope that you'll stop by and see what opportunities we do have available. There is no time like the present to get started on a degree and chart a path towards a new career.
This afternoon, I've been talking with Patricia Strickland, the director of the new A.S. Thomas Center in Pembroke, North Carolina, affiliated with Robeson Community College. And Patricia, thank you for your time this afternoon.
Thank you, Mark. It was a pleasure.